What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another episode of what I ate in a day. Yay, yay, yay! I'm actually so excited for today's video because first of all, a lot of you wanted a part 2. So today it's that time again, it's Gucci again, and we have a part 2 of what I eat in a day. And another thing, today's episode is actually brought to you by HelloFresh. If you guys don't know what's HelloFresh, it is basically a subscription plan for food. Did you guys hear that? A subscription plan for food. Basically, all you gotta do, you can go on their website and pretty much customize your own meal plan for the week and get it delivered to your own doorstep every single week with the choices you made. And pretty much it comes super easy and quick with all the recipes, and they basically show you how to make your own meal and be your own chef in your own house. What else? I mean, does it get any better than this? It actually is, because you guys can actually use my code GlamByRoxy80 to get $80 for your first month off with HelloFresh. So now, without further ado, let's get cooking. So first thing first is obviously breakfast, and so what I'm doing, I pretty much just chop on some veggies, which is the best thing honestly, because those are low on calories, so you can just eat as much as you want. And so I'm having, of course, my eggs. I'm taking 2 eggs only, and I'm making like a basic omelet because ain't nobody got time for anything else in the morning. Let's all keep it very real, unless you know you have the time, so take your time, sis. And so from here I'm taking 2 thin rice cakes with 1 scoop of hummus, and that is pretty much it. So good and so delicious. And now we're gonna be moving to the favorite part of the day, which is snacking, because you guys, I'm obsessed with snacking. Let me tell you this much right now. So I'm taking this Greek yogurt, and as you can see, I pretty much just, you know, lay it flat on this tray. I guess this is the best way that I can describe it, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm taking some of these, you know, like blueberries and some strawberries, and I pretty much just put it in the freeze for about like an hour, I would say. And obviously I'm doing it the day before. But as you guys all know, I mean, this whole thing is only like 100 calories, and you can pretty much just cut it, so it's pretty much convenient, and you can just like snack on it, and it's like so good. I mean, honestly, this one is my favorite snack, especially for summertime and spring, and I highly recommend you to do that because you guys are going to love it. And now we're gonna be making some lunch. If you guys all remember my previous video, you guys really liked my salad, so today I decided to make another one for you. So obviously I do chop some lettuce. You guys can do as much as lettuce as you want because those are really low on calories. And so I'm taking 1 cucumber and I chop it really small. I do like when it's like super tiny. It's just like a preference, you know. You don't have to do it this way. You can do it any other way you guys want. And then from here I'm taking some cherry tomatoes. Those are as well are really low on calories, so it's not like the main thing in your salad, so you can pretty much just like take as much as you want. I mean, I think I had like 12 of them if I'm not mistaken. And so from here, this is the issue, this avocado, because I'm obsessed with, but then it's good fat, so why not? So I'm using only half of avocado. And so once I'm done with that, I pretty much chop some of these mushroom, just like white mushroom, nothing fancy. And so, of course, I like to stir fry it because why not, you guys? It is so good, and it's kind of like, it's gonna make your salad being like a warm salad in a way. And I'm just obsessed with this. I'm just taking some salt and pepper, and it's taking about like 2 seconds to do that, so it's not even that bad. And so once I'm done with that, I'm pretty much just adding some, you know, sweet potatoes that I made in advance. If you guys didn't see my previous video, you guys can, you know, see the link below that I'm gonna be adding, and you can see how I did it. So I'm adding some of these, you know, crunchy stuff, and that is pretty much it. This salad is so good, and it's gonna fill you, I guarantee you. And now it's time for another snack. So I'm taking 2 rice cakes, and those are the thin ones, so they're really low on calories. And also I'm adding some low-fat cream cheese. You guys can do any other toppings that you guys want. Honestly, I do like this snack a lot just because it's not too heavy, and again, it's snack, so it's really good, especially before training. Now we are moving into dinner, and so for dinner I'm having my HelloFresh fish. As you guys can see, I do have my recipe in my hand, so it's kind of like step by step, and it's like super easy to make. And so in the bag you pretty much have everything you need for 2 people. The portions are so big. This was my first time opening the bag and I was like shook. Let me tell you, honestly, it's a very big portion for 1 person. I didn't even finish mine. And so as you can see, the first step is pretty much chopping off those veggies, which is the Brussels sprouts. And so from here, obviously, once this was done, I pretty much put it like, you know, on a tray and then put them in the oven for about like 20-30 minutes on a heat of like 400. And now I'm gonna be making the rice. So for that I'm using a little bit of oil, and so I'm only using 1 bag of rice because I am the only one who is eating dinner tonight, so I didn't want it to cook everything. And so from here I'm just, you know, just like frying the rice. This is how I like to call it. I'm adding some water and pretty much just let it steer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And so from here I'm making the fish. I just want to let you guys all know that I got, for 1 person pretty much, I got 2 pieces like this one, like the one you see in here. I got 2 pieces of fish, but I only eat 1 because, as I said, the portion was really, really big and there was no way on planet Earth that I could ever finish that. So, because as you can see, I mean, look at all this food. That is insane. Also, as you could see, this was really, really easy to make. So this is another thing that I really liked. Here, I'm just adding the sauce that I made in advance. I'm adding some lemon that I had in my bag as well. And that is pretty much it. Dinner is served, you guys. And now I'm gonna be having the last snack of the day. If you guys all know me, then you know that I have a sweet tooth issues, honestly. And so I'm gonna be having 1 square of dark chocolate. This is only 55 calories, so it's not even that bad, and I'm absolutely love this snack. So that completes this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to use my code at checkout. It is GlamByRoxy80 and it will give you $80 off your first month with HelloFresh. And that is pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!